What's going on, guys? Excuse me. Good morning. We are looking at Bitcoin / US dollar. So this is a coin-based data, tradingview.com daily chart. Nobody cares about Bitcoin unless it's going higher. Mainstream media is talking about it and so on. The truth is, in my opinion, those that buy Bitcoin when nobody is talking about it and the prices are suppressed and much lower like they currently are, make a fortune when everybody is talking about it, including the mainstream media. A couple levels I want to share here about Bitcoin and my thoughts on the overall crypto market. Of course, I could be wrong, not financial advice. So I have two levels I want to talk about real quick. So I have a level at 16,925. Currently where the price is finding resistance the past, let's see, today, at least the past 3 days. And there has been some trouble before then. You can see we've wicked up through those levels. That level is 16,925 overhead current resistance. So if the price can't get above that and hold and move higher, there's a good chance something like this will play out. And this wedge, this rising wedge that we are in, will break to the downside. And I have a lower level, a very important lower level on Bitcoin's chart. It's 13,622. So it's way down here. It's a couple thousand points lower. And that is the lower target of potential support for Bitcoin if it cannot get above this 16,925 level and hold and rally. We could be breaking down. So if something like that plays out, there's a good chance it will carry the rest of the crypto market with it at one point or another. Not every crypto, but most cryptos will feel the weight of Bitcoin and move lower. So kind of my thoughts, this is basically a rising wedge, and they usually will break to the downside. Not always, but usually, and heading down to that lower target. Another reason why that 13,622 level is important is if I scroll out here on my chart, you could see if we move to the left-hand side back in, what was this, 2019, it was resistance. 13,622 was overhead resistance for a very long time. Just for fun here, let's take this to where it broke out. So that was resistance for basically 490 or so days before the price actually broke above that. And we went from 13,000 up to, give or take, 60,000. So a pullback back to this level, a test, I would not be surprised to see. And that indicates to me that there's probably further downside for Bitcoin before finding support and potentially before moving higher. So could be a rough ride here for the rest of the year, if not longer, for Bitcoin. It could all take place in a couple days. Bitcoin can be down many, many thousands of dollars in a matter of hours or minutes. And who knows what will happen. But I would be keeping my eye on the charts, and the levels I would be watching is 13,622. It's important. And then also where we are currently finding resistance is 16,925. Both those levels play an important role in Bitcoin. And we'll see if we get Bitcoin crushed here back down to the $13,000 level, or do we break out above our 16,000 and rally back up to 21,000 where there is current resistance. And I have two levels up there as well. So keep your eye on Bitcoin. It should give you an idea of what is to come here for the rest of the crypto market. And of course, not financial advice. I may be wrong. Just wanted to share that with you guys that follow the crypto markets anyways. All right, guys. Thanks for joining the channel. Appreciate it. Have a great day, and exciting times ahead here. One, if Bitcoin does tumble, you'll get better prices across the board. Two, if Bitcoin rallies from here, it'll probably take up the cryptos that you currently own. So it's a win-win either way, in my opinion.